Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize GitHub Actions with OpenID Connect step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your GitHub account. Navigate to the repository where you want to set up OpenID Connect. Click on the Settings tab in your repository. On the left sidebar, scroll down and select Secrets and Variables. Choose Actions from the drop-down menu. Click on the New Repository Secret button. Enter a name for your secret, such as OIDC_client_ID. In another tab, open your identity provider's dashboard. Create a new application in your identity provider. Copy the client ID provided by your identity provider. Paste the client ID into the value field of your GitHub secret. Now, go back to the identity provider's settings. Locate the section for configuring redirect URIs. Add the redirect URI for GitHub Actions, which typically looks like https://github.com/your username/your repo/. Save the changes in your identity provider's settings. Return to your GitHub repository settings. In the Secrets and Variables section, verify that your secret appears correctly. Next, open your workflow YAML file in the .github/workflows directory. Add a step to your existing workflow to authenticate using the secret. Use the secret's context to reference the secret you've created. For example, set an environment variable with the secret env OIDC_client_ID $secrets.oidc_client_ID. If necessary, include additional steps to fetch tokens or interact with services using the OpenID Connect. Save your workflow YAML file after making the updates. Commit the changes to trigger the workflow. Monitor the workflow execution in the Actions tab of your repository. Look for logs to confirm successful authentication using OpenID Connect. That's it. You have now authorized GitHub Actions with OpenID Connect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.